Experiencing a no-signal issue with your Targus 4K docking station and Mac? The primary culprits are often related to DisplayLink drivers, cable compatibility, or macOS settings. First, ensure your Mac is running the latest version of macOS, currently macOS 15.1 as of November 2025. Updates include crucial DisplayLink driver patches and USB-C alt mode handling improvements. Next, verify that your Targus Docs firmware is up to date via the Targus DisplayLink Manager app. Version 10.5.2 is the latest as of November 2025. If issues persist, focus on your cable connections. For HDMI, ensure you're using an HDMI 2.0 or higher cable. For DisplayPort, use a DisplayPort 1.2 or higher cable, preferably VESA certified, to guarantee signal integrity. Finally, consider the troubleshooting hierarchy. Restart your Mac, check cables, update software, test the dock on another device, and reset SMC on Intel Macs or PRAM on all models. Older docks pre-2023 may require manual driver installation via the Targus DisplayLink Manager. If basic troubleshooting fails, delve into advanced settings. In macOS System Settings Displays, verify MST is enabled for DisplayPort connections with multiple monitors. For HDMI, ensure your monitor settings are configured correctly for the input source. If you're still facing issues, consider DisplayLink technology itself. Targus docks use DisplayLink chips to extend displays over USB-C, and incompatibilities can lead to no-signal errors. As of 2025, trends show a shift towards seamless USB-C standardization and software-first fixes. Future macOS versions may include AI-driven troubleshooting to auto-detect and fix dock issues. Meanwhile, consider hybrid docks for long-term use as wireless technologies advance. Remember to check Targus's website or Apple support for the latest updates and specific troubleshooting steps.